Have you been thinking about getting the new Samsung Galaxy Watch 6, or do you have it right now? In this video, I'm going to go through 10 key features that you should know about your watch before buying, or if you already have it. But let's go ahead and get right into it. First thing on the list is going to be slimmer bezels and bigger displays. If you look at it from previous watches, you're really not going to see it too much, but it does have slimmer displays. It counts on the model, but they say the Galaxy Watch 6 has a 30% smaller bezel, and I can definitely see that. And the 6 Classic has a 15% smaller bezel, so that's big. We're talking about the display itself. The smaller versions, the 40mm of the basic and the 43mm of the classic, have a 1.3-inch AMOLED display, where the bigger versions, the 44 of the regular and the 47 of the classic, come with a 1.5-inch AMOLED display. And that display is brighter this year. We're talking about 2000 nits. They claim 2 times brighter than last year. That is brighter than the brightest screen of their brightest smartphone, and that is the Ultra 23. They say that comes in at 1750, where this comes at 2000 nits, so this is going to have no problem reading it in direct sunlight. Let's talk about the upgrades. We have an upgraded Exynos chip this year. They said it comes with 18% better performance. With that, you are also seeing bigger batteries on both the versions as well. You're probably not going to see these huge battery improvements, but we will see a little bit slighter battery improvements, and that still comes with the fast charging puck that has a very good magnet on both of them. And of course, it's going to be running the new Wear OS 4 with the One UI 5 built on top, and as far as I'm concerned, it runs great. I have no problems whatsoever. Personalized heart rate zones. So this is a great way if you go on a 10-minute run. The Samsung app can kind of use a little bit of its algorithms to figure out personalized heart rate zones for you. And the reason for this is to kind of individualize the training for you, whether you want to be on your fat burn, cardio, hard training, or even max effort. With these personalized heart rate zones, your workout's going to be even better, so you know where your effort is. VO2 Max. This isn't new to the 6 line series. I believe it came out on the 4, but VO2 Max is a score that kind of tells you how good your body utilizes oxygen within your workout. You do have to go on a run on a flat surface for, I believe, 23 minutes to get a VO2 Max score on your watch. But when you do, it's going to give you another metric to try to improve upon. This isn't going to be the end-all be-all as far as your VO2 Max is concerned. You'll need to go to do a stress test at a doctor where they put that mask around you, so it actually kind of indicates how much oxygen you are taking in on those high efforts. But for a watch to be able to do that and all these smart features, it's built in, so you have it ready to go. Body fat percentage. So this is able to check your body fat percentage through its BIA sensor, and it does have a great correlation for accuracy. But why is body fat percentage important? Typically, a lot of doctors use the BMI scale to see if you're overweight or obese, and that's not the whole story of who you are. All you need is your age, height, weight, and gender, and put it in a calculator, and that'll see your BMI. Body fat percentage, on the other hand, is going to let you know your skeletal muscle mass. People that have a bigger skeletal muscle mass tend to have a higher BMI, which doesn't look too great when you're just looking at BMI. So this is a great way to see more of your fitness progress. There is a correlation 97 to 98% online, where they measured with dual energy X-ray absorption, a DXA scan, and also a duplicate laboratory grade octopolar bioelectrical impedance analysis as well. Sorry if I said any of that wrong. But this isn't going to be your end-all be-all. Again, you can do those other 2 scans to give you a little bit of better idea of how your skeletal muscle mass is, but it built on your wrist is a big plus. A regular heart rhythm notification. So it does have the ECG built in to check things like AFib and see if your heart rate is beating at a regular rate. I mean, I can't test it myself as I do not have an irregular heartbeat, but now you don't have to go into the ECG during your sleep. It'll actually check out if you do have an irregular heartbeat, and it is kind of running in the background, so you don't even have to think about it. And that is new with the Galaxy Watch 6. Also, it is only available in certain countries that have actually approved the ECG functionality. Apparently, there is a couple of different ways that kind of offload it onto it. I don't know if I would recommend that, but if you do want to try that out, there's probably some other links online you can check out. Sleep coaching. So sleep coaching isn't new to the Galaxy Watch 6, but they have improved the sleep coaching. You do have to get 10 full days of sleeps in to get a full detailed review on your sleep. I will be showing you that in my full review, so make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell so you'll be one of the first ones to know when that video comes out. But it's going to give you a lot of actionable data points to kind of improve your sleep, whether it be, of course, extra water or when not to take water in, or if you need a little extra meditative states. It'll give you some actionable data to get better sleep in. You get the entire Google suite of apps, so you can personalize it, so you can use Google Wallet. You have Google Maps built in as well. You can also side load like Google Fit as well. I don't know if I'd recommend Google Fit, but Google Maps being right on my wrist is a big plus. I'm gonna show you some B-roll with my Pixel watch, but it works the exact same way on the Galaxy Watch 6, and you can just kind of roll up your wrist while you're driving to see where your directions are, and that's all built in all the Google Suite apps. Last two here, one is going to be on the app itself. These are going to be actual workout programs. So this is all free. When you hit the fitness portion and go down to like training, there is some endurance training here and some running training. So if you want to working on your first 10K run, you can add this program. It has a total of 24 workouts and the number of weeks are 8. The difficulty is high here. So if I wanted to add that program in, I could do it. You can see it all kind of schedules your workouts throughout the day. And of course you can kind of move those days around if you need to, which is a big plus. And of course you could time it, and of course you're using your watch while doing it. So there's a lot of great programs, and it is free on the app. That is big. Last thing is you can actually work out on your phone. So say I wanted to do the Body Blast Boot Camp. I'm gonna add that program in. I'm done here. I am now at my regular home screen. I'm gonna go down to my Body Blast Boot Camp. I'm gonna go ahead and download it real quick. Downloads pretty quick, and if you have a Samsung TV, you can actually throw it on via smart screen, which is pretty cool. Now I'm gonna go ahead and start my workout. So as you can probably hear it as well, we're starting some side planks, and there's my heart rate at the bottom right. And I can hit start here on my watch, but that's all kind of vibrating as well. So if you just had this right in front of you, you would have no problems kind of reading what's going on. And if you kind of want to skip that portion, you can go into down unders and go ahead and just go start now. You don't have to wait for that countdown. So again, free workouts built in is awesome that you just don't even have to pay for. And also I would recommend getting a good band. Straps Company is a great way to get some good bands in. The bands they give you aren't too bad. If you were looking to purchase one when you go online, I would recommend the fabric one as it's very breathable, but the faux leather one is also very comfortable as well. I'll be linking Straps Company, and if you are looking to purchase the Samsung Galaxy Watch 6, I'll be posting those links down below. But if this video was helpful for you guys, please smash that like button. And if it was really helpful, make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell so you're one of the first ones to know when my newest videos come out. I'm gonna be doing a full review on the 6 Classic and the regular 6, and I'll be doing comparisons on older models as well, so make sure you're ready for that. But as always, stay happy, stay healthy, and above all, stay positive. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.